Now we're on to another DD opening. The opening to Thomas and Friends, Real Life Friends, DDD from 2009, from Hit Entertainment and Lionsgate. Another show that I watched a lot. Let's play the disc.
Hey.
Coming soon, only on DVD. Bob the Builder, on-site skyscraper. We're going to see a skyscraper being built. Put on your hard hat, strap on your tool belt, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on-site. Let's go on-site. Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundation, just like school. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tugger. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder, on-site skyscraper. Let's find out how a skyscraper is built. From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on-site with Bob the Builder. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can. Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder, on-site skyscraper, coming spring 2009. Also available on-site houses and playground and on-site roads and bridges. The balance between good and evil is in their hands. Everybody's favorite characters.